Good morning, YouTube and planet Earth. Robert Williams coming to you live from the trading floor, as you can see, here at Long Island University. So, I haven't posted a video in a while. I still do use the terminals. Class has been taking up a lot of time. I went to Hong Kong as well as South Korea. I participate in an organization called ICON, which stands for International Consulting Network. I was a project manager. Now I'm actually a partner. But basically, we went to South Korea. Unist University down in Ulsan actually hosted the conference last semester. So enough about that. Here we again have the Bloomberg Terminal. Right now, you're looking at the MOST function, M-O-S-T. And you can see the red and the green are changing, prices are changing. Basically, this is showing us the most active securities on the Bloomberg Terminal right now by volume. And there's a few different options here. We can change by market cap, sectors. We can select different sources like exchange. You see the sources just changed. And basically, it draws the securities from different exchanges. So here we can see that GE already has 37 million shares traded. And in comparison to number 2, AMR, Alta Mesa Resources at 15.3 million. So that's obviously more than double. And why don't we click this news headline right here to see exactly what's going on with GE. So they're experiencing tremendous momentum as it hits a risk ceiling. And so people seem to be taking profits. So why don't we type in GP, and that'll bring up the line chart on the terminal. And this is a 1-year chart. So I like candlesticks. So I'm going to go right here and select candle. Oh. Excuse me. So this is not GE. This is actually the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. So right up here, we're going to type in GE. Okay, so that's more like it. And I could tell by the volume. I was looking at the volume. I'm like, hold up. This is definitely not what that article was referring to. So this is GE. 1-year chart using candlesticks. And on the Bloomberg default settings, blue is down, white is up. So I can kind of get an idea of what's going on. But over here, we can see some very erratic price activity in comparison to what was happening before. So it was in an overall downtrend from a year ago. It started picking up momentum right around here, which is late October. You could see volume increase significantly starting here in comparison to here. And now it's spiked again in more recent price activity. But GE has been having some very rough times. If we go back 5 years, we can see starting right around in 2016, June, there's an initial sign that, they were going to go down. It rallied up a little bit to this resistance area. And since December of 2016, it's just been down from here. So recent price activity is occurring right here. And if I go back up here and click 1 year, this is 1 year, and we could see these 2 blue candles represent downward or selling pressure, and we see the tremendous volume that article we stumbled upon before was mentioning. So up here with the blue square, it's the ticker symbol of the company. So we have GE, the current price, the change, the time, the volume, open, high, low, and some different statistics over here. So basically, we want to click or type in CN for company news. And it brings us to all the current news for GE. So they announce the completion of, let's click this. It's going to link us to another article. Yes. Completion of the transportation and Wabtec merger. So they had a merger. We'll go back. GE's experiencing some unique price activity, as I mentioned before. So there's a lot of different things going on with GE. Just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what that looked like. And I actually just pressed menu on the keyboard. That brought me to this menu. So when you press that menu right here, it brings you to this. And for any security or stock that I'm looking at, it's going to bring me to this overview menu with different functions I could type in for faster load times and different things of that nature. So security description, GE, and we'll just go back to the MOST function where we started. And you can see, sorted by volume, the most active securities today, February 26th, 2019 at 10:49 a.m. I'll just do by percentage change up. Give you guys a view so you guys can check out any of these if you want to. Again, this is the Bloomberg Terminal. Generally speaking, only professional traders and college students have access to this. Change down. And a couple that I like over here, 52-week highs and 52-week lows. So the video's at over 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Don't want to make it too long, guys. I'll try to post another one soon. Any questions, comments, thumbs up on the video, subscribe. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this video. Talk to you soon. Peace.